Well, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming from my home office. It's a cozy little spot over here, and on today's video I want to dive into the fashion world of minimalist bags from COS. I have selected 5 styles that I absolutely love at the moment, and they are all super affordable in leather, perfect designs, easy to wear, to mix and match with any looks from your capsule wardrobe. Lip combo of the day before I kick off this video. This beautiful Summer Fridays lip butter balm in vanilla. I hope I don't have lipstick on my tip. It smells so delicious. My goddaughter has asked for this one as a Christmas gift, by the way. And over here I have Walk of Shame from Charlotte Tilbury. I just want to pump up the color so it shows nice on the video. No coffee today, just a glass of water. And let's start talking a little bit about bags, and then I'm going to present you the 5 ones that I've selected. So firstly, I discovered COS bags when I started shopping at COS, and my very first bag was, one sec, I'm gonna bring it over, this one from a summer collection a few summers ago. And by the way, they still have it on the website. I spotted it on page 3 as I was browsing earlier this morning, selecting the bags for today's video. So this is a straw like paper bag with beautiful leather details. I have to say that I also use it during spring and autumn as well. I wouldn't use it in the winter because I have some other bags to use, but because it is in black, I think you can get away and use it quite a lot. So I really like it. I got it on sale, so I was super happy, and I have to say that every time I was wearing it, I was always getting compliments about it. And I have a second bag. This one is in leather, full on. It is this one. This no longer is available on the website. I like the two tones, of course, the fact that it is leather and that you can adjust the handle over here. And when you have it on the longer option, there is just so much space here, even if you're wearing something quite chunky like the coast sweater I'm wearing today. So both of these bags, I have to say, I got them during a sale, so great value for money, and I have been super happy with both of them. I've worn them over and over again, and they are staples in my wardrobe. But looking at the current collection, let me present you the 5 bags that I absolutely love at the moment. So first up, we have a fairly new design, the EAstside mini bowling bag. I absolutely love this bag. It is a mini bag. It is like a clutch, even though it has this handle, and it reminds me, of course, the Alaya version, which is like a few thousand or just over £1,000, something like that. I love the 90s and minimalistic vibe that this bag gives. It doesn't fit a lot, fair enough, but I think it just fits your essentials. And what I like on this bag is something similar to this one. There is plenty of space over here so that you can wear it over a chunky sweater, over a coat, over, a big blazer or anything like that. A little tip for you, the website says that white is coming soon. I love both colors, black and white, beautiful colors to have a leather bag in your wardrobe. I don't know which one I prefer. I would say naturally the first option would be black, but also the white one would look amazing in these warmer months as well. Next up, I have another clutch, let's say, bag, even though again it has a handle. I love the shape of the Cove Clutch and the fact that it comes in black staple, but also in that beautiful silver color. It is in leather. I would say that the silver option would be a little bit trickier to wear, The black one, you can wear it more often, but the silver is perfect for those evening looks, when especially when you're wearing a total black look. Okay, I'm bringing my favorite accessory to the game because it is a very, very windy day and the sound of the wind is coming through the video, so apologies for this. Maybe things are gonna get a little bit better with my microphone. Let's hope. So I was talking about the Cove Clutch earlier on, and I really like this option if I was to compare it with the previous one, with the bowling bag, because this looks a little bit more spacious. So if you are a little bit concerned about how much these two clutches bags fit, from a first look, the Cove Clutch looks a little bit bigger, more spacious, but for me it's more of an evening bag compared to the bowling one. The bowling one, even though it is small and it doesn't fit a lot, you can take it for an afternoon coffee date, let's say. It does not give evening bag clutch vibes, if you know what I mean. So next up, I have a favorite bag of mine, the fold shoulder bag. So this style of bag comes in a variety of sizes. I think there is a mini one, super mini. This one, which I would say is the medium one, and a bigger one. The bigger one, I think it's too big. I wouldn't choose it. I feel that the fold detailing shows a little bit better in the midi version that I've chosen. It's currently out of stock. It is a very popular bag. They tend to always have it on the window display at my local COS shop, and I feel that this, out of the 5 that I've selected for you today, is a bag that is a little bit more suitable for work. Fair enough, it's small, it doesn't fit a laptop or anything like that. But personally, what I do when I go to work, I always carry 2 bags with me. So one is a huge tote that has the laptop and my lunch boxes and everything. And then I always carry my essentials in a smaller bag, crossbody preferably, because it's easy to just wear it like that and just commute and go on. And I think size is perfect, the style is perfect, and it can fit all of your essentials, and then you can take it into your afternoon outings and evening ones. Why not? This is a bag that could be suitable for a theater outing, you know, or dinner date. It's not too big, but it's not too small. Completely different to the clutch vibe that we had with the previous bags. And next up, another favorite of mine. This currently comes in 4 colors. It is the mini Cavatelli clutch. Again, it has a couple of sizes, but for me, the mini version is the best because it gives clutch vibes, but it's quite spacious, and it also comes with a long strap so you can wear it on your shoulder or the crossbody, just to make things a little bit more comfortable. So it is available in black, in white. White is currently out of stock, I believe. Burgundy, and the one that I've selected, the snake effect, just to make things a little bit more interesting and not to be too predictable, and choose another black bag for you. I love the print, and because I do get to wear a lot of blacks and a lot of neutrals, I think this goes perfectly with any looks in these color combinations that I've mentioned. I feel that it is a very easy to carry from morning till the evening. You can choose how you want to hold it, and that's what makes things interesting for me with this bag. I would say in the mornings when you are busier, you are going to work or you have meetings, it's nice to have it as a crossbody, and then you can carry it as a little clutch in the evening for a dinner date, or just an outing anywhere in the evening. It gives me Loewe vibes at a fraction of the price, which is super important. And also it is in leather, so it's amazing to have a nice leather bag that you can wear in with so many outfits and for so many different occasions. And price wise, to be below £100. I always put like £100 as my maximum, let's say, amount. That, yeah, if I spend more for a mini bag, it's a good value for money. It's not really a bargain. Of course, if a bag is bigger, if it is a tote bag, if it is in a different fabric, suede, of course you cannot get something below £100. But when we're talking about a mini bag, I think £100 is a good price point and range to shop bags. Okay, so the last bag that I've selected, it's not 100% a bag. It is a pouch for your phone. Currently, COS have a selection of beautiful leather pouches in different styles, different price points for both men and women. I've selected this one in burgundy because I like the style, I like the detail, how it closes, and I selected again something in a different color, but black. Oh, I have an ad here. And currently I could not find it on the website. I selected it the other day. Maybe they've sold out and they have some other options. If I can't find this one, I'll link something else for you. But I like, again, the playfulness of the style, the color, the fact that of course it says phone pouch, but you can also, just wear it and put a lipstick and your card and your keys if you want to pop out and grab a coffee, or do your grocery shopping or anything like that. So it is a versatile little pouch, even though it doesn't fit a lot, but you can use it either as a phone pouch or as your little essentials on the go pouch. And that was it from me. Those were my five favorite mini bags below £100. I'm pretty sure everything is below £100. If it's not, forgive me. That I've selected for you. What am I doing with this microphone? Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you would love to add to your capsule wardrobe, and if you purchased any bags recently from COS, I would love to know. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you've enjoyed the content, for more videos like this. Thank you so much for keeping me company. I hope to see you in my next one. Ciao.